All right, guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin. Excuse me. So I have the entire weekly chart pull up from all the cycles. I went for a clean chart. So this has a better reference point here where we are. So zoom in. I have us both on auto and a logarithmic. Excuse me, allergies are kicking my butt. You can see we broke the all-time high. We have a week high, so we're having a back test currently. I'm still expecting, obviously, a move higher. So if you zoom a little bit more, I'll take off the auto. Money flow is still super strong. Nice pullback. We've come back through, grabbed some lower level liquidity. I'm expecting a move higher. The weekly, I mean, this is just typical. The waves are actually matching the actual movement of the price, which is really, really bullish. It's not bearish at all. 3-day. 3-day's got the consolidation pattern. You've got a pullback, right? So we're getting kind of a double bottom here on the 3-day. If we hold, I'll show you guys on the XO chart in a second, but if you basically hold the daily VWAPs, we're going to move higher, I think, and really kind of retest the $70,000 range. And if that holds, we're going to retest the all-time high. So that's my personal opinion. Volume's not horrible. I mean, could be better, but it's not like dramatically jumping off. But we're still decreasing, so it wouldn't really matter anyways. 2-day, by the way, money flow is good on the 3-day. 2-day, money flow is still above the 25 line. We're fine there. Still thick. We dropped below. This is the 20. I like to follow on many time frames, including my scalp stuff on the 1 minute. So holding above this thing is huge. It's monumental, really. Well, tongue-tied for words at the moment, but you'll see what I mean on the daily. It's really, really, really crucial we have support from this. Let's see now the daily. Yeah, we're holding on by a thread. So a lot of times it's a good spot to bounce off of on the daily. And it's usually a good scalper on the 4-hour as well, and I'll show you in a second. Money flows thick, about to print a trigger wave here on the 1-day. 12-hour, we did print a trigger wave. Excuse me, getting a rejection. Yeah, we're nice fight here at the moment. We were fighting today as well. Nice W pattern, bull flag, basically. 6-hour. Yeah, we're just in a range, guys. So let's just pull nice consolidation range. You get whales institutions, I guarantee you, are dollar cost averaging right now. Let's see. Let's pull the whole thing. Let's pull from how low is too low. Yeah, we'll pull from here over. There you go. Turn on another indicator too. Turn on this guy. Yeah, it's too messy and noisy. All right. So yeah, we're right above the point of control here for the whole range. I like it. You can see we're starting to move higher after this dip down. Couple good scalp trades I've made here. In this one, I went ahead and instead of trading Bitcoin, I traded what did I trade? 4 different altcoins, including Boom, Solana, Fetch AI, and Ethereum. So I went ahead in that direction and did quite well. Like going to bed with open trades and waking up to a lot of money. So that worked out well. It doesn't always happen that way, by the way. I like the way the 5-hour looks. Money flow is starting to come back in. Momentum's pushing up higher. 4-hour. Calling indecisive. They keep retesting. I'll show you on smaller time frames on the XO that we're kind of retesting the daily VWAPs and the previous day VWAPs. 3-day or 3-hour, excuse me. Push higher. That's coming likely. 2-hour. Kind of sideways. Again, the volume is low now that pretty much everything's closed for the weekend. Yep, getting a bounce and push up. So let's go to the 24-minute now. More indecision here. Fighting over probably the VWAP I'll show in a second. 12-minute. Yeah, for most of today we're watching this. So I did get in a trade here a little bit. Scalped out too early and it ran. And then I've been scalping this zone as well. Pretty much every VWAP test I've scalped. So this is looking pretty good. 6-minute. I like it a lot in the 6-minute. And if I recall, VWAP was somewhere like the 240 range. So VWAP was being held for support. Got double bounce. You may see another comeback if you wanted for an entry for a long. Kind of look for a rejection off of this liquidity up here and come back down. But weekends are tough in terms of low volume. 3-minute. So yeah, this is the range we're in right now. Just get a pull of this guy too. Kind of go to the bottom wick. Let's go from here to here. And there you are. You're back above the point of control. So probably going to retest the value area high, as you see we've done already once. Retest the low twice. Come back down and get a retest of the point of control would be nice. And I also like holding above the 20 EMA on the 3-minute and 1-minute. I'm doing a nice job here on the 1-minute. Looks great. EXO. Let's pull up EXO and see what that looks like. Yep. So there's your 1-touch, 2-touch. I've played both of these well. Scalp this one, scalp this one. Let's see. This morning I missed this one, so. We've had a hard time rejecting from the weekly value area high. Delta looks weak at the moment. We've had some kind of pushes. The open interest is nothing. It's just poo-poo today. Volume's kind of lackluster. So yeah, there's not much to say here. I mean, kind of you can pull some fibs here. I need to fix my my imbalances. Oh, it's not even on. There we go. I got a sun reflection. So it'd be nice to see it come back down, wick into this zone, and then move higher. You may even see a wick up to here, but you're already starting to struggle just because there's the weekend volumes. Just whales kind of push things around. So in my opinion, you kind of hold above the daily VWAP and the point of control here. We're moving higher. So especially if you get like a triple bottom here, it doesn't break. It just keeps coming down and getting retested. It keeps getting rejected in terms of bouncing higher. We're definitely going to have a good push at some point in time. So whales will just continue to, as you can see down here, allow shorts to accumulate in this range. And then at some point in time, they're going to push. So this guy's still open, 69 Bitcoin. I think there's 400, is that right? 467 Bitcoin sitting down there in short positions. You got a lot over here too. Not as many. Yeah, so this is going to be kind of to the point and boring today. There's not much else going on. Just kind of watching Bitcoin. I'll get into a different video later about the ETH BTC ratio and the Bitcoin dominance. But at the moment, all I'm paying attention to is this little dotted line here, the VWAP. And for those of you who want to chart this at home, the VWAP is currently sitting at $67,313. And that will change based on the UTC time of the next day and or trading market. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me? Have a Crypto Blackwell on Twitter and the Blackwell Discord. Thanks.